Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a home meditation and yoga space on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by showing you how to upload a bespoke mural for one of the walls. I'm going to go to Texture, Upload, and then select the screenshot I have taken and saved to my desktop. I can then drag this to the wall I want to apply it to. I'm now searching the catalogue for a shelving unit as well as some yoga accessories. I'm using the resize functions to make them fit the space. I'm also using the texture panel to amend the colour to be in keeping with my colour scheme. I'm now using the geometric shaped options to create some yoga blocks, amending the size to fit the space and using the clone tool to duplicate. I'm going to add some books and accessories to the shelves. I'm going to click on the pencil and then use the flip options as a quicker way to turn the books the correct way round. I'm now going to add a tapestry, and I'm using the invisible texture to hide the pole so I can add my own, and then the upload on my textures to change the image. I'm now searching the catalogue for a wooden floor. I will use the texture size function on the right hand side panel to amend the plank width. I'm going to use a stair runner as a yoga mat and then adjust the size and texture to make it look like a yoga mat. I'm adding a chair, table and plant from the catalogue using the rotate tool to move into position. As well as uploading my own textures, I'm also using textures on Foyr to customise my design. I'm now going to swap to the 2D ceiling plan mode to add a hanging plant, and then back to the 3D mode to check the size and position. I'm now going to take the render, and by clicking on the top right hand side of the screen, I can amend the internal lighting and the sun at this point using the panel on the left hand side. To get a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of your screen, then click Get Preview. It will appear on the bottom right. If you are happy, click Take Render at the bottom. Use the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.